Hi, my name is Shruti. What is your name?
Hello Shruti, I am Riddhi. It is nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Riddhi. Where are you from?
I am from Delhi. How about you?
I am from Bilaspur. Do you live here now?
Yes, I moved here yesterday for school. How about you?
I have been living here for 5 years. Do you like it here?
Yes, it is nice here. What do you do for fun here?
I love going to the mall and singing. How about you?
That sounds great. I enjoy reading and hiking. Maybe we can go together sometimes.
That would be fun. Let's plan for it soon.
Sure. I am looking forward to it.
So, Riddhi, what kind of books do you like to read?
I love reading fantasy and magical books. They are always so exciting. What about you?
I like mystery books. It's fun to try and to guess what happens next.
That's good. Have you read any books lately?
Yes, I just finished one called The Secret of the Old Clock. It was so mysterious.
That sounds interesting. I will have to check it out. What else do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy drawing. I like to draw scenery. Do you draw?
A little, but I am not very good at it. Maybe you could teach me sometime.
I would love to. It's easy once you practice. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play cricket. It is my favorite sport. Do you play any sports?
I love swimming. It's so much fun, especially in summer.
That sounds awesome. Maybe we could swim together one day.
That would be great. Let's plan for it when it is warm again.
Definitely. It'll be so much fun to hang out more.
I am excited. It's always nice to make new friends.
Yes, I'm delighted we met.
It was really nice talking to you, Riddhi. I'm glad we met today.
Me too, Shruti. I can't wait for all the fun things we'll do together.
Same here. Let's hang out soon. Maybe we can meet at the park next weekend?
That sounds perfect. I'll be there.
Great. See you then.
See you, Shruti. Have a great day.
You too, Riddhi. Bye.
Bye-bye.